A multifocal cataract lens is a type of prosthetic lens used in cataract surgery. This lens replaces the natural lens to allow the patient to see clearly. This type of lens helps to correct nearby, intermediate, and farby vision. It is the best option for people who want the best possible vision at all distances. Refractive multifocal IOL. This type of lens depends on pupil dynamics. They are quite sensitive at the center and sometimes have a continuous curvature to support eye movements and optimize vision. They address intermediate and far vision. Diffractive multifocal IOL. This type of lens is good for near and far vision. The concentric rings distance from each other increases moving from center to the edges. This lens does address the intermediate vision. Hence, the results are not always satisfactory. Multifocal lenses come with an astigmatism correction feature and offer the broadest range of vision correction. As multifocal IOL corrects vision at all distances, the patient doesn't have to rely on spectacles or other visual aids. Multifocal lenses are long-lasting and don't require extensive upkeep or replacement. The eligibility criteria consists of the following. The patient must not have a pre-existing condition such as macular degeneration or any other that can cause vision impairment in the future. Overall eye health must be good to ensure that the chances of post-surgery complications are minimal. The patient needs reading glasses and needs the same for distant vision. Pristine Care is a renowned healthcare provider with eye clinics in several cities of India. Our ophthalmology department consists of experienced eye surgeons who are well trained and skilled in cataract surgeries. They have deep knowledge and extensive years of experience about different types of cataract lenses to help make the best decision.